So Percy, what do you think about being tethered while Daddy flies? Eh? What's your opinion of that? Happy? Good. Hi, John here at Microaces, and we're at the field. Yay! Doing some Sunday flying in some breezy weather. It's not too breezy, but it is for our little planes. So I have changed some settings. I'm flying the Scrappee biplane, and I've taken off any expo that I've got on the elevator and the rudder. So I've got a lot of authority, so I can adjust when the breeze is blowing and gusting around this lovely sort of horseshoe surrounded cricket pitch. You can see there's a bit of an opening there, but everywhere else we've got these lovely tall trees. So let's fly. Oh, you're being stuck on my head. I have a wonderful cap. I look a bit of a prawn, but at least it takes the video without me having to have anyone here. Here we go. Whee. Oop, hit a stick. Oh, and we've got some sound effects as well. Looks like everyone's out flying. The battery in this one seems a bit anemic, but then I have been flying for about 8 minutes on it already. So but the Scrappee biplane doesn't actually need a lot of power. In fact, you can keep it right on the edge of switching the motor off. So there we go. Motor off. Motor off. Oh, and the sun's coming out. Fantastic. And I'm also standing in the park talking to myself when seen by others. So, oh, sorry about that. Straight into the sun. Okay, oh, that sun has brought about a lull in the breeze, which is quite nice. As you can see, I'm flying it quite gently, and I do, as I said, I've got a lot of authority now on elevator and rudder, but that battery is just about to die, so let's bring her in. Oh, sorry dog. Here we go. Right, we'll put another battery in. Oh, hopefully you can see that. I've no idea because I can't see. So let's go for it. So I'll come down the park with a pocket full of batteries, and keeps me entertained for an hour or so. So there we go. That's the battery change on the Scrappee, and we just pop the battery into the hatch there, and magnetic catches. We get the lead out of the way. Just pop that on. Battery in other pocket, so we know that one's been discharged. There we go. And here we go in some glorious sunshine. That's better. There we go, full power. Up she goes. We can probably perform some A nice, well, wind-blown loop. Well, it wasn't really a loop, was it? It's coming for a low pass. That was a low. Nearly hit me. Okay. For all you out there that like to see right turns as well as left turns, there we go. It's the only one I'll be performing today. That's not true. As you can see, you can keep it nice and tight in. So as an indoor flyer, this is a perfect plane. But just as a little park flyer for a Sunday morning, it's ideal. Oh, and he put it in the ground. Well, let's go pick it up. Try a hand launch. There we go. We got a bit of breeze now. Percy's not impressed. You see, it's got some climb to it. It's only a tiny little 8.5mm motor, coreless, but on a gearbox, of course. And it's a 4.5-inch prop. Oh, and we have guests. Let's just bring it in.